Hi guys, welcome to topic 3.2 process groups. There are five main process groups in every project. They are initiation, planning, execution, monitor and control, and finally deliver or close out. Let's have a look at the very first process group, initiation. This is where the initial scope is defined. The scope is listed down for everyone to know what the project is there for. The financial resources are committed. The budgetary value is listed down in this process. You identify the stakeholders, whether internal or external, whether it's the organization who's funding the project, whether what types of contractors you need on board, who are going to be your bankers who are going to fund the project, who are going to be your business partners who are going to offer some sort of financing for the project. The project manager is the key or the focal point of every project and needs to be on board from the very initial stage. This is where the project charter is developed. The project charter is a formal document which is also used as a sales document. It basically aligns the stakeholders' expectations with the project purpose. It also gives them visibility about the scope and objectives and shows them how their participation can help achieve their expectations. Hence, it is a very important document and forms a part of the initiation process. This is followed by planning. Planning is a very critical process group. This is where the project management plan is developed. Project management plan basically involves scope management. The scope is planned in this stage. The schedule is planned based on the timelines. The cost is planned based on the budget. The quality parameters are defined. The resources are listed down, whether it's manpower, whether it is material, equipment, everything is listed down. The risks are again defined. The procurement plan is in place. So once you have all these details, you can say you have a solid project management plan to use. This is followed by strategy and tactics. There are certain strategies we need to be listed down which can be used in the execution stage for the benefit of the project. Of course, this forms a successful path for the phase or the project closeout. If this phase, the planning phase, is managed well, it's much easier to get the stakeholders buy-in and engagement. This is followed by execution. Execution is where the main works of the project happen. The works are defined and they are executed. This is where the major coordination between the people and the resources happens. The stakeholders have their buy-in or have their say. They have listed down their expectations which needs to be achieved. It's important that we proceed in a way that all their expectations are met with. This is where a lot of integration among the various activities happens. A lot of changes also happen that impact the project management plan, and the project management plan has to be updated on a very frequent basis. The next process group is control and monitoring. This is a background group which runs through initiation, through planning, through execution, all the way till closeout. We need some level of control and monitoring in every phase of the project. This helps us track, review, and manage the progress and performance. This helps us identify areas in which changes to the plan are required. These changes need to be triggered and the requests need to be approved from the committee so that the same can be implemented. It's very important to have preventive action than corrective action. Corrective action is more to do with repairs. So it's better to avoid major repairs on the project that can cause time and delay. This helps provide the project team with insight into the health of the project, the changes that are triggered, and the corrective actions or the preventive actions that are to be taken give an insight to the project team as to whether there can be any further delays or we can still stick by the schedule. This is followed by delivery closeout. This process group verifies the processes are completed within all the other process groups. This is where you have a sign off on all the deliverables. You obtain the customer's buy-in or his satisfaction that the project has been executed as per his requirements. Here is where we list down the lessons learned, whether good lessons or bad lessons. Everything is documented for future use. All the project documents are archived, are preserved for any future references. Finally, the procurement activities are closed out. Very important to settle all disputes with the vendors and settle off with all the payments so that finally you know that what is the budget at which the project has been delivered. So guys, this brings us to the end of topic 3.2. Thank you.